नमस्कार, माझे नाव आहे मंजुषा हर्डीकर. Hi, I'm the founder of Alap School of Music and I teach Hindustani classical music to kids here in Dallas, Texas area. Today I'm here to talk to you about an organization very close to my heart called Surdan. What is Surdan? Basically, Surdan is a teen helping teen initiative where my senior students during the summer break, they prepare, practice and put up a grand charity fundraiser and raise funds, and then we donate those funds to our charities. This has been the 5th year. Last 4 years we have been we have been giving them funds to teenage shelters in Dallas area and also the Police Association of Dallas. This year, due to COVID, everything was different, wasn't it? So we were not sure whether we can do Surdan or not, but when we met, the overwhelming response was, the need is so much more this year, we must do Surdan. Okay, so we decided, and also we decided that we want to look for an Indian charity. This was there in the back of our mind, but we did not know how, when, where and what, so we never did it. But this year, luckily, Sandhya and Ravi Gurjar, they went to India and then they met Veenatai Gokhale through the Dene Samajache, and they brought all the information back. We reviewed all the information and personally, I was extremely touched by Veenatai's personal struggle stories and how she overcame all the hardships. And it was very inspiring for me that she is so involved in Dene Samajache and she is still trying to do her bit to give back to the community, which is what we also want to do. I'm also and we had through Dene Samajache, we came to know about I Foundation, and we supported I Foundation, the Sahara Anathalaya through them this year, along with the North Texas Food Bank. So far, Surdan has actually raised close to $50,000, and I'm really so proud of these kids. They are all America-born kids, and they still are learning Indian classical music. They take Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya exams, and they do this charity work during summer break and try to help kids who are in need, which is very important for our next generation to follow these things. And also I'm so extremely glad and happy that we came to know about Dene Samajache and how you are bringing all the good work that is being done under same umbrella, so people like us can find them easily. And the transaction and everything was so easy, so seamless. We were extremely happy to pick I Foundation and Sahara Anathalaya through Dene Samajache. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Namaste.